Cats are incredible animals that can be amazing companion pets, but sometimes their behavior can leave a person completely confused, often wondering what it is that is going on in their minds. If you're a dog owner or are comparing your cat's behavior to that of your dog, you will find yourself scratching your head more often than not. Cats are quirky and unique, and their strange behavior is part of the reason we love them so much. We have broken down some of the strangest cat behaviors for you so that you can better understand your furry best friend. Hopefully, these 18 explanations will help you to find out why they do the things they do. Number 18, cramming into tiny places. Your cat may have the run of your house with every piece of furniture at their disposal to sleep on, but they choose to cram themselves into the tiniest spots. Perhaps it's a cardboard box or a drawer in your cupboard. So why do they do it? It probably stems from a time before cats were domesticated. The small spaces make them feel safe and secure. Sleeping in an open area sprawled out would make them an ideal target for predators if they were still outside and in the wild. Their natural instinct is to hide in a small space or hidden area, making it difficult for natural predators to find them. Number 17, making dough or kneading. When your cat constantly pushes on you with their front feet and claws, often purring loudly while they do it, this action looks a lot like kneading dough. This starts just after a cat is born. This kneading action is used to stimulate milk production from their mother, ensuring that they have a steady flow of milk in their early days on Earth. Because your cat associates the warmth of their mother and a full belly with feelings of happiness, they may continue to do this whenever they feel content or happy with you. Number 16, rolling around. Rolling around on their back leaves cats in a very vulnerable position. So, if your cat is doing this in front of you, you should feel honored. It means they feel relaxed and safe in your company. A roll can also mean that your cat wants to play with you. Number 15, presenting their behind. What's up with your cat presenting its tail and butt to your face? A raised tail signals other cats that it feels secure. It is part of cat talk and greeting. When your fluffy friend does this to you, it is like giving you a kiss or a hug in greeting a friend. Number 14, chewing on plastic. If your cat is chewing on plastic, blankets, furniture, or other things they shouldn't be chewing on, they may have pica. Cats often get pica from anxiety or disorders in their gut. A lot of the time, cats will chew on items that are not food as a way to calm their nerves and deal with pent-up anxiety. Pica is one of the few feline behaviors you should worry about. Oftentimes, the things your cat chooses to chew in an effort to calm themselves are harmful to them. If you suspect your cat suffers from pica, you should take them to your vet to establish a way to fix their behavior. Number 13, itation of the ears. Ever seen your cat's ears move back and forth independently? This is an indication that your cat is feeling uncomfortable or anxious about something in their environment. If their ears aren't moving independently and are only slightly pulled back, they are alert and listening to what is going on around them. Number 12, not flushing their litter. In the wild, cats dig a hole when they need to poop. When they are done, they cover it up to hide their scent from predators. Sometimes it can mean that they are comfortable and that you will protect them, but it can be an indication of a medical problem. If your cat isn't covering their poop, it is best to take them to the vet to eliminate the possibility of a paw injury or urinary tract infection. If the vet gives you the all clear, your cat could just be telling you that it doesn't like the type of litter you have bought, or that you are not cleaning their tray often enough for their liking. Number 11, knock it off. We were told that cats are nimble and stealthy. So why does your cat knock things over and insist on giving you a fright? This is completely normal though. Cats feel their surroundings with their paws, which are incredibly sensitive. By knocking things over, they satisfy their curiosity, seeing exactly what will happen when they touch something. If this behavior irritates you, you should ignore them so that they do not repeat it to gain your attention. Number 10, tiger eyes. Scenes from horror movies are less creepy. That when your cat stares at you for what seems like ages without blinking or moving. This usually stems from their predatory response, and they are probably focused on their next bit of prey. Cats love to examine and weigh up what they want to pounce on. This could be because they want to play and have fun with you, or that they have set their sights on a bug to hunt. This is their way of practicing their natural instincts, and is for the most part harmless fun for them. Number 9, rubbing. As a cat owner, one of the things you would notice the most is how they rub up against you with their head. This isn't unusual behavior at all. This is your cat's way of saying hello to you in the same way as someone you know may come up and give you a hug. By rubbing their head on you, they are spreading their scent and pheromones on you. This behavior is called bunting. If your cat doesn't do this, it isn't anything to be concerned about for the most part. All cats will do this at some point throughout their lives. Number 8, biting their nails. There can be 2 reasons that your cat may be biting their nails. One of those reasons is keeping their nails clean and short. It could be thought that your furry friend is anxious or has a bad habit. Like people, cats can bite their nails when they are bored or if they feel anxious. And just like people, this can become a bad habit that is difficult to break. You will need to try and find out if your cat is just nervous or if they are bored and need some form of play or entertainment. Number 7, crazy runs. Your cat may start sprinting around your house or apartment, bouncing off of the walls and furniture without any warning. This is completely normal behavior, even if it is hilarious to watch. Naturally, cats can run up to 30 miles per hour, and when they are kept indoors all day, the energy becomes pent up. Running around and jumping is their way of releasing that energy in a way that is constructive. If their running is disrupting your life, you may want to increase their playtime or get them more toys, so that they can release their natural energy. Number 6, sleeping on your laptop. Sometimes it feels like no matter what you put out to use, your cat will take it over. Whether it is your phone, newly laid out clothes, or your laptop, cats have a way of laying all over whatever it is that you're busy with. By being in the way of whatever has your attention, they know that there is a good chance that your attention will be diverted to them too. The second reason is that they like the warmth of your laptop. Cats like temperatures of 20 degrees higher than humans' ideal temperature. Number 5, eating your houseplants. Is your cat nibbling on your prized fern? Cats bite and chew plants for a variety of reasons. In the wild, indigestion is often cured by eating grass. So if they are feeling a little gassy, they may start munching on your plants. Other reasons may be curiosity, boredom, or just that they are wanting you to pay some attention to them. Because some plants are toxic to cats, you should always make sure that the type of plant you choose to put in your home will not poison or cause your cat distress. Number 4, crazy legs. You may notice your cat sometimes sits or lays in positions that are not very, shall we say, ladylike. Again, just like people, sometimes laying down or sitting with your legs and arms sprawled is incredibly comfortable and relaxing. In fact, you should feel honored. If your cat is sprawled out in front of you or around you, it means they feel relaxed and safe in your company. They see you as their protector and do not need to be on the defensive or be aware of anything that may harm them. Number 3, 2 a.m. cat calls. Some cats enjoy a little nighttime singing. This can become extremely annoying, especially when you do not get to laze around all day and sleep like your cat does. There can be quite a few reasons why your cat is howling at night. An urge to hunt is usually the root to this issue. By giving them food puzzles, extra toys, and food at night, you should be able to deter them from singing to you all night. Number 2, straight from the tap. Generally, cats are not a great fan of water, but a running tap seems to be their favorite drinking spot. Once again, this behavior comes from their ancestors, when cats weren't domesticated. Running water is clean and free of disease, where still water usually contains all kinds of bacteria that may be harmful to your cat. Your furry friend may just be acting on their instinct by seeking out a moving source of water. Number 1, night owl. Does your cat insist on staying up all night? Some cats get into the habit of sleeping all day and playing all night. This could mean that your cat doesn't have enough to do during the day to wear them out enough for sleep at night. But this might also stem from their ancestors. In the past, cats were nocturnal, choosing to hunt at night because their eyesight is better in the dark than their prey. This can be annoying for their human owners, though. To make sure your kitty sleeps through the night, make sure they have plenty to do during the day, and give them exercise before bed. Number 1, bringing you dead animals. You may not appreciate the gift of a dead animal or bug on your bed or at your feet, but for your cat, this stems back to when they were kittens. It is most likely that when they were young, their mother brought them prey or something they thought was prey in an attempt to teach your cat how successful hunts are shared. Basically, your cat is saying thank you, or is sharing their prized hunt with you to make you feel included in their litter. Remember that when wild cats have more food than what they can eat, they will bring back any extras to the rest of their colony to feed them. Your cat may think that you need something to eat. Try not to punish them for this. They are only doing what comes naturally to ensure that their own little family survives. If this really bothers you, keep your cat indoors or put a bell on their collar to warn prey animals that your cat is hiding in wait with their eye on them as the next meal. And there you have it, 19 of your cat's strangest behaviors explained. We hope that we have been able to shed some light on why your companion does what they do.